Nutrition Program Coordinator at the Crim Fitness Foundation. Today we're going to talk about canned produce and how to choose the best and healthiest options while you're at the grocery store. So when you go to the canned food aisle, it may look a little bit like this. This can be a little bit overwhelming, and you may be tempted just to grab the first can that you see and run. But since there's so many different options to choose from, some are bound to be healthier than others. We are going to talk about the different varieties and how to choose the best and healthiest options. So I want to take a deeper look into the different types of canned produce that we have in front of us. Let's get started. Let's start with the canned peaches. So this can here is sliced peaches in 100% pear juice from concentrate. This can is sliced peaches in no sugar added in artificially sweetened water. And this can is sliced peaches in heavy syrup. Now, what do all these terms mean in regards to nutrition? Well, although all of these are peaches, the way that they are stored affects the sugar content. So let's take a look and compare the sugar content in these different canned peaches per a half a cup. So for half a cup of peaches in 100% pear juice from concentrate, there is a total of 14 grams of sugar and 0 grams of added sugar. For the peaches that are in no sugar added in artificially sweetened water, they have a total of 7 grams of sugar and 0 grams of added sugar. So the peaches stored in heavy syrup have a total of 26 grams of sugar and 17 grams of added sugar. So what does this all mean? Because we can tell that the heavy syrup peaches have the most sugar and are probably the least healthy option for us. But what about the peaches that are in no sugar added in artificially sweetened water and peaches that are in 100% pear juice? The peaches that are in artificially sweetened water, they don't include very much sugar because it's artificial, so it doesn't count as sugar, but it still sweetens the peaches, and it's still not super healthy for you, artificial sugar. So the ingredients in this can is peaches, water, and sucralose, which is artificial. And the peaches in 100% pear juice have peaches, water, pear juice from concentrate, and citric acid, which is to help regulate the acidity. So this actually has less ingredients than this one because this has the sucralose, which is the artificial sugar and not super healthy for us. So when choosing canned fruit, it's best to choose fruit that's stored in 100% fruit juice. Now, what if you have canned goods at home in your pantry that are stored in heavy syrup or in artificially sweetened water? Should you throw them away? No. Just make sure that you drain these peaches and rinse them off a little bit with some water, just to get all that excess sugar out of there. But I would still say these are okay options, but this would be the best and healthiest option. Now let's look at the canned vegetables. Here we have 2 different cans of cut green beans. So when we were looking at the canned fruits, we were focused on the sugar content. And now with the canned vegetables, we're going to focus on sodium. So this can here is cut green beans, and in the ingredient list is green beans, water, and salt. And this can is cut green beans, no salt added, and in the ingredient list it's just green beans and water. Now let's compare the sodium content. So for the regular green beans, there are 290 milligrams of sodium. holy cow, that is a ton of sodium. And in the cut green beans with no added salt, there are 15 milligrams of sodium. So that is a dramatic difference in sodium. So it's best to look for canned vegetable options with the no salt added. I've seen it for almost every canned vegetable out there, corn, peas, everything. So just look for the no salt added. And again, if you have canned goods that are just the regular canned ones with the salt in them, that's okay. Just make sure that you drain the cans and you rinse them before you eat them. That's it for our video about canned produce. I hope you learned something new. See you later.